Welcome to the MyMA app. In this guide, we'll show you how to use the fault reporting feature. To report a fault, start by tapping on the Features page. Here, you'll find two options: Dormitory Maintenance and Incident Report. For dormitory maintenance, use this feature to report any issues in your room, kitchen, or bathroom. First, choose the urgency level and type of request, then fill in the details. You can even upload a photo, video, or audio to show us exactly what needs attention. The incident report is for any other difficulties, like health concerns, feedback on disturbances, or other incidents in your room. Select the date of the incident, fill in the details, and you also have the option to add a photo, video, or audio for a more accurate report. Simply submit your report, and the dormitory management team will review and respond promptly. Thank you for helping us keep your living space comfortable and safe. MyMA app, bridging the gap and bringing you closer to home.